On SmallCapPower, we're pleased to welcome back Paul Pedersen, co-founder and CEO at Nextleaf Solutions. The company extracts and purifies cannabinoids at an industrial scale and is the first publicly traded company to do so. Paul, the company recently hit a major milestone. Take us through what the big news is.
Yeah, recently, this past Friday, Health Canada issued a standard processor license to our dedicated extraction facility in Greater Vancouver. So, obviously, exciting milestone for us as a company now, allowing Nextleaf Solutions to get into starting to commercialize our intellectual property portfolio. And today, on the heels of that Health Canada announcement, we found out that the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office has issued now our fifth patent, and proud to say that we've now hold more issued patents around extraction than every single licensed producer combined. So I think we're starting to see the fruits of our labor now in having our fifth issued patent and 25 pending patents.
How do you plan to capitalize on your first mover technical advantage?
Yeah, and I think we do that by taking a focused approach. What we've seen over the last 5 years is a lot of companies that have tried to do it all, and they've tried to grow and process and extract and build brands in medical, international markets. What I always say is that you don't see a lot of startups that do it all successfully. We capitalize on our first mover advantage by taking a very focused approach. Our strength is in the development of methodology and process that allow us to produce THC and CBD molecules at the lowest cost per molecule of anybody in this country, and we think that we keep that competitive advantage by scaling out our intellectual property portfolio through white label and toll processing. So supplying CBD and THC as an ingredient into edibles, beverages, and vape pens, which again are the three categories that we're very excited about. Those are all illegal today. Those become legal here later this year. And we think that we hold on to our competitive advantage by continuing to develop intellectual property and make it as difficult as possible for big tobacco, big alcohol, and some of these larger players that are starting to come into this space. And we think that intellectual property is a great way for a small company like us to really keep our first mover advantage and continue to innovate and continue to develop disruptive technology.
Every time we speak, you come across as one of the hardest working cannabis CEOs in the market. What are your next few priorities with this milestone in place over the next few months?
Yeah, and obviously now the focus shifts on commercialization, and over the next few months and into 2020, it's all about driving business. So we're going to be announcing a number of partnerships and really scaling out our strategy, our commercialization strategy, working with companies that want to focus on building their brands and distribution. And we play one essential part of that supply chain. We're not trying to do it all. We're not trying to build our own brands. We're a turnkey solutions provider for consumer packaged goods companies that need a standardized molecule in their infused products. So for us, we see this as a tremendous opportunity. They only legalize infused products once, and we think that we've got the right team, the right technology, and the right facility with a focused approach to really allow us to scale and deliver some meaningful financial results in late 2019 and 2020.
The company is listed on the CSE as oils. We see you wearing your ticker symbol. What's your message to your investor community?
I think our investor community and people that really believe in our team, believe in our management team, believe in our technology and our focused approach. We've said from day one that we'll never grow a plant. We think that the greatest shareholder value is created by developing intellectual property that we think is defendable and is disruptive to what has been traditionally done in the manufacturing of these infused products. So for us, just very excited now for the opportunity to finally get into commercial production and excited for these 2.0 products that are set to become legal pretty shortly.
Exciting times at Nextleaf Solutions. Thank you so much for your time, Paul.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.